Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a high top shoe from this shape, original shape. It's from another video I did. I'm going to use edit points, and then I'm going to show you a design with the high top. So let's begin. We right click, edit points, and I'm just going to make this go up. This one we can delete. So we have this point here already. Just move this out like that. Okay, add an extra eyelet. I think I'm gonna extend this. And first, let's just take this out. Bring it to front. This one over here. Copy. To continue, I am going to make a shark theme for the shoe. I'm going to bring this a little bit smaller. Okay, that's going to be gray. But I'm going to use a fill, texture fill. Try this newsprint one. Click on the arrow here. Fill. Rotate with shape. Sorry, it doesn't matter. I take that out anyway. Tile picture. You can take that out. Make it more transparent. I'm going to go shape. Bevel. That one's good. This one I already did. Now I'm going to try something different. I'll try that one. Then I'm going to go into 3D format. Width. Make that smaller. Not too much, but just enough. Okay. That's the lighting. Front. I'm going to edit it a little bit. Just not, I think this is a corner point. I'm going to make it smooth. And then edit points. Turn it around. And those are going to be the gills of the shark. So shape outline. Let's go like that. Shape fill, gradient. Like that. I'm going to need 3 of them. I'm going to put them here. This one would be good. Or this one. This one. I'm going to go edit points. Take out that point and delete it. It'll make it sharper. Shape fill. Let's choose a darker gray. Shape fill, gradient. Like that. Then I'm going to put a glow, a light white glow More glow colors, glow options, size. Okay, this has to be a little bit darker, I think. You know what? I'll keep it a little bit lighter, because after we're gonna make this gray. So let me see. I just copy this, copy, paste, paste. This thing here, edit points. Let me get a picture of a shark here. Smooth point. Add a point. Add a point. Let me move this over here a little bit more. Outline. Shape fill. Thing. Shape fill. Gradient at the top. This one. Shape fill. Gradient. Like that. Shape effects. Bevel. This one. Give it some extra lighting. Like that. Width. This shape format. Very light. Shape fill, gradient. You go like that, and then this one. Probably gonna go, let's just say a lighter shape fill. Gradient. Bevel. I have to change these to make them smoother. I'm going to change the bevel on this. And the lighting. Okay. Smooth point. Okay. Bring the width down. Light blue. Insert shape. Send to back. Shape fill. Gradient. Make that smooth. Bring that in. Add a point. Thanks for watching.